Hey guys, welcome to Tutorials by David, and in this video we'll be having a quick review of the Lovable. So Lovable has completely disrupted the no-code space in 2025 to 2026 by proving that you don't need to know a single line of syntax to build a full-stack web application. So unlike older tools that just build pretty landing pages, Lovable is a true AI full-stack engineer that handles everything. So from the UI and the front end logic to the back end database and authentication. The magic lies in its speed. You can describe a complex like code and you can describe it feature like a real-time dashboard or a custom CRM and watch it write the code, fix bugs and deploy the site in under 2 minutes. The standout pro is the GitHub sync, allowing developers to jump in and edit the code manually, which eliminates the walled garden trap of other builders. However, the cost can be scale quickly if you're iterating heavily, and for extremely complex, high traffic enterprise system, you still need a human developer to optimize the architecture. Final verdict is that if you are a founder looking to launch a high quality MVP in a week rather than 6 months, Lovable is currently the fastest and most capable AI coder on the market.